Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. So I just came back from holiday. I spent 1 month in Brazil with my family and I arrived yesterday and guess what I saw in the mailbox? Cha-da-da-da! Yes, my first Labubu arrived. I ordered this directly from Popmart. And I actually got a notification that they had sent it, but I was still traveling. So my neighbor picked it up for me. And today we're going to unbox it together. So this is the original box that comes from a Popmart. As you can see here, they have some information. There's a QR code for their website. Their website and their Instagram. Here's some information, my address. Here on top, you see Pop Mart, a world of our toys. So this is it. And and here, what it's all about. This is the Monsters collection. And I am super excited to unbox it with you. I have no idea what is in here because, as you know, this is about a surprise. So we are going to open this box and see which one I got. I've been wanting to buy one of these for such a long time, and it's always sold out on the Popmart website. And because there are so many Lafufus out there, I was afraid just to buy it from a different seller. So I decided to go on Popmart. I got a notification that they were back available, and I just ordered them very quick. I think I ordered them back in July. And they said they were going to ship it at the end of October, which got me very disappointed because I had to wait so long. But surprisingly, a month later, actually a month and a week later, I got a notification that they had sent it to me. And here it is. Oh my God. I am so excited about this because this is my very first Labubu. And we are going to unbox it together. So here is the box. Okay. And I'm very excited. So are you ready? So let's do this. Okay. I just broke the latch here. And okay, there's a little thing here. This is different. Look at that. This is a different bag because usually they come in that kind of plastic sack, but it came on a very cute. Oh, I think it's because this is a new collection. This is the Big Into Energy collection. There you see it. And it comes in this beautiful plastic bag with colorful strings. So I am afraid to see it. So let's see what I got. Oh, it's so soft. Are you ready? So here we go. And this is... Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. This is the one I got. The pinky one. Is it like a pinky or a slash orange? Oh my goodness. This is so cute. It's got the brand here, branded, okay, under his, actually left feet. It says Popmart. I'm sure this is original because I bought directly from the store. So, I mean, I don't think I would actually get a fake one. But here I have the monsters etched here in this little ribbon. And then you have the little carabiner here for you to hang it on your bag. And it's so nice and soft. Oh my God, it's so cute. So there you have it. My very first Labubu. Here you have the whole collection. So let's see what I got. This one, Oh my God, I got the happiness one. Look at this. This is the happiness, which is all I want in my life. A little bit of happiness and a cute toy to go with it. So there you have it. So this is happiness, and then they have love, hope, serenity. Which one is this? Luck, happiness, loyalty, and of course the secret one, which is fine. I mean, I don't mind that I didn't get the secret one. And inside, what do I have? Oh, there's a little card that comes inside the box. Big into energy collection, as you can see here. And yes, yeah, exactly. That's happiness. It's written down there. Not sure if you can see it, but yeah, this is the happiness little one. And that's it. So this was the unboxing of my very first Labubu. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy another one. Actually, I wanted to buy the big one. I'm still, I subscribed to know when it's going to be released, which I mean, it takes like forever. But I don't know. I'm very patient. I was patient with this one, and I will be patient with the big one because that's one that I really have my eye on. But so far, so good. I am so happy with this little cute little thing here. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye.